Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Well, so in this lecture we are going to create some straight lines using pen tool, or you can say that we will learn how we can draw straight lines using pen tool. Now if you are wondering that what is this is a pattern designed in Illustrator that I will show you that how you can design these kind of beautiful patterns, but not now, a little bit later in this course only. So for now, let's concentrate on pen tool. Let's go to file, click on new to create a new file. Now click on OK and select the pen tool to work on it. As you already know that working with any tool, first of all you need to select that tool first. Okay, so select the pen tool. Now just take a look at the cursor. You can see the pen tool and you can see the asterisk. This asterisk means that you have not initialized any path. Now just click at a point and see. So when you have clicked at a point using the pen tool, that means you have just drawn an anchor point, or you have just created an anchor point. Now let's come here and create another anchor point just by clicking and see what happens. You will notice that another anchor point has been created on that clicked point, and a line has been joined between these two anchor points. Now let's again come here and let's again click at this point and see what happened. Again come and click at this point, come and see. Notice one thing, let's notice one thing. So currently the cursor is like this, right? Only the pen tool is there. Now let's go to near our initial point and see. Now we have a circle, right? This is telling that now you are about to close this path by just clicking on this initial anchor point. Let's close it, and there you go. Now again let's delete this one. So again, a straight line is a combination of anchor points connected with lines between these anchor points. See? Now before clicking at any point, let's hold the shift key. See what is happening. You can see the preview of the line which will be drawn after clicking at that point. Now say you were here, hold the shift key and see, you can draw this straight line. That's it. So this is how you can draw a straight line using pen tool. And now using pen tool you can draw two types of paths. One is the open path and another is the closed path. As you can notice that this rectangle is a closed path because the path has been closed. Now let's see. Let's click at this point. Click, 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 click. This is an open path because this has not been closed, right? Now let's change its color to something else like this and see. So the path which you are creating with pen tool, it does contain the fill and the stroke property. Of course you can change it. Let me close it. And yeah, oops, what happened? Let's press Ctrl Z to undo. Now let's select this rectangle and let's make its fill color this orange type, and you can provide a different color stroke. Let's say this green, and you can also control the stroke size like this. Okay, now let's delete it. Okay, friends, so that's it. I think that by now you have got a pretty good idea how we can draw straight lines. But pen tool is really very interesting. It's not because of creating these dull straight lines. Yes, friend, you can draw anything with pen tool, and that starts with drawing curves using pen tool, and that we are going to explore in the next lecture. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.